family.
What are you doing, sweetie?
No.
Are you cleaning?
Looks like it. Wow, that's a good job cleaning.
Oh, you missed a spot. Did you get that? Good spot there.
What are you doing, Shetzi?
I'm
Is that hard? Is that heavy? Oh, so heavy, huh? Whoa. Is that heavy?
No.
No, of course not. That's a good job cleaning.
Turkey cleaning.
Yeah.
Turkey cleaning.
Oh, turkey cleaning. The turkey from the floor that you just ate? That's a good job.
Turkey. Mommy, George.
Okay, bye.